me tell you something. Go get that money. Go chase that money hard.
Love me when love me when love me when love me when love me. Oh, I need someone to love me. Oh, I need someone to love me.
We have the 68 Corvette T-tops here in front of me. We're finishing the last of the 68 restoration, which involves restoring these T-tops. As you can see, we painted these. These are the original factory T-top liners. We didn't take them apart because we know that the Velcro is shot on them. The hook and loop type fastener they use, I think it's more of a push connector. Anyway, the type of connector they use is, when it's new, it's easy to pop in and out, but the older it gets, the more brittle it gets. So we know if we take it apart, it's going to disintegrate. So we just let it be, as it's not sagging that much, it'll be fine. And if it does fall off, we can just buy new ones. But they're in great shape for their age, being 1968. We painted them. So I don't know if you guys can see, but here's the quality of the old. And here's the quality of the new. So definitely a big difference. This on my right, this guy has been through a lot. So this one also has the new seal on the back, where this one doesn't. This one's destroyed. Anyway. Little things. So you put this piece on, it pushes on. It just has little teeth on here, so it pushes onto this lip. Then you have this piece here, and then it gets riveted on. There's one hole right here. There is 1, 2, 3, 4. Possibly, but I don't think you use 5 of the holes. The rivet kit they give you only gives you 10 rivets. So dividing that by 2, that means 5 per side. I know that's crazy math. I'm pretty smart. And then the center clip. No, can we see this? Yes, we can. The center clip. Yeah, I can do this. Goes here, and I gotta still drill out one of these rivets. And as you can see, when we get everything lined up, not all. So, on mine, this is a 68, and 68 is really, really, really weird, because some of the parts are for all the years, and they say it's for all the years, like 68 through 72 is the most common, or 68 through 76, like the hoods and stuff, some parts, allegedly. The holes don't line up. Not to say that this won't work, but the holes that the factory one came in, which I don't have this piece, I couldn't find this piece, don't line up. So with that being said, I'm gonna have to drill some new holes. Hold on. You sure that's too much, or is that plenty? Enough distance.
Well, if you feel it pop through, stop. It's not even the top level. You're only going to go through.
Oh, okay. You're gonna go into the channel. People are going to say, you're not supposed to do that. And then I'm going to say, you know what? Nobody says we couldn't. You're not supposed to use that stuff. That's the wrong stuff. Well, I don't see you restoring a 68 Corvette. So when you do, you call me. Because people will say, oh, my 70 Corvette. And it's like, it's not the same. It's two different beasts. This is like an R&D car. Like, we're gonna do it this way. No, that didn't work out. What is this stuff called? Strip Caulk. That's literally what it's called.
Soul.